Oh, this is Deb and Pete attempt to catch a wild swarm. Number 2. Pete's done it without Deb. Pete does not need Deb on this little mission. We're gonna try it. Be back in a minute. Remember that game Operation? Where you gently pulled out one thing at a time. Tried not to get the alarm to go off. Pretty close. So, we are a little further along in the process. I couldn't quite film all of it, but we clipped off the branch that the both of them were on and put it into the nuke box. The queen may or may not be in there. If she's in there, the rest of the swarm is over there and wasn't on the branch. They will come to her. And if she's over there, these guys will go back over. Now we wait and watch for a few minutes and see what they do. You guys had asked me a couple years ago if I'd be hanging out with bees like this, I would have told you you're out of your blinking mind. So, we are pretty sure now that the queen is in the box, because if you can see this migration, ones that were left on the rock are literally marching to their queen. Let them all go in the same direction and to the box. So, I think we got her. I think we got our second swarm. Peter Weir, you mad scientist genius, you.